Steam won't launch games. How to fix it? Hey everyone, how's it going? Leonardo Paiva back with another video. In this video, I'll explain how you can resolve this Steam bug that prevents any game from launching. You click to play and the game simply won't start. So I'm going to share a great way for you to solve this issue. Do you enjoy videos like this? There are already other related videos here on the channel. Subscribe to the channel and leave a like. I'm always making videos to help you out. So let's get started. I'll click here on my library. Let's say this game I installed isn't opening. I'll click on the game and then click play, but it just doesn't work. Guys, what's the trick to solve this bug? Right-click on the game that's not launching. Click on Properties at the bottom and choose this option here in the side menu, Betas. In beta versions, you'll click here to choose a compatibility mode to run the game. Let's say you're having a lot of trouble and you're unable to launch the game. In that case, you'll run it here and it will open a compatibility version of the game. Even though my computer is 64-bit, you can run this compatibility mode to see if it resolves the issue. After that, just close the window and click here on play. It's also important to verify that your Steam application is up to date. Did that solve the problem? Let me know in the comments below. Subscribe to the channel for more tutorial videos. I'll wrap it up here. Take care and God bless. Thanks everyone.